Good morning student. Today we will discuss the word meaning of the lesson. Okay. The first keyword is wandering. Wandering means traveling aimless from one place to another. Okay. Second is steady. Steady means continuous involvement. Means कोई चीज़ जो continuously हो, that is called steady. And hazard means danger. Hazard means danger. And substances means material या matter. Dumping means deposition. Trash the waste material. Severely means harshly or strongly. Okay. These are the keywords of this lesson. And we also discuss the part A, B, C and D. First part is tick the correct option. Animal and plant waste can be converted into biogas, LPG and natural gas, that is biogas. It is the duty of dash to keep our surrounding clean, the government, citizens, yeah both. The answer is both, because that is the duty of government and also the we people of India, okay, to keep our surrounding clean. It is easy to recycle plastic, fruits and vegetable fields, yeah both. What is the answer? Plastic, because fruits and vegetable compost, converted into compost. Construction waste can be used for filling ditches, building walls, या making pots, that is used for filling ditches. Next, fill in the blanks. Human waste in open fields must be covered with dash in rural areas, covered with soil. Here is the help box. Okay, you can find out the answer. Recycling is beneficial for the dash. Recycling is beneficial for the environment. Biodegradable waste can be used to make dash, to make compost. Waste disposal is important to keep our surroundings dash clean. And the 4 R's to reduce waste are reuse, recycle, reduce and rethink. Next one is rethink. Next, match the following. The biodegradable waste can be converted into harmless substances. Harmless, not harmful. Harmless substances. Non-biodegradable waste cannot be easily converted into harmless substance. All living beings produce the waste, and recycling will benefits the animals and humans both. Okay. Now next the questions. First question is, what is waste? What is waste? Waste is unwanted material. Waste is unwanted material. For example, the answer is the unusable material, things or products are called waste. Okay. 3 diseases caused by waste materials thrown in open areas are, first one is dysentery, typhoid and cholera. Dysentery, typhoid and cholera. Okay. Next question is, highlight the 2 differences between biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. The 2 differences between biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials are, first one is they can be converted into harmless substances, and second, they cannot be non-biodegradable material. They cannot be easily converted into harmless substances. Okay. These items can be converted into compost, fruits, vegetable, peel, dry leaves, etc. Okay. These items cannot be converted into compost. For example, nails, rubber, plastic. Okay. These are the 2 differences between biodegradable and non-biodegradable material. Okay. Next is, what are the benefits of recycling? What are the benefits of recycling? The benefits of recycling are, it reduces the amount of waste and pollution. Benefits of recycle: it reduces the amount of waste and pollution. Second, it conserves our natural resources like timber, water, iron, etc. And third one is it saves energy. These are the benefits of recycling. Two methods of waste disposal. What are the two methods of waste disposal, and what is waste in your opinion? Two methods of waste disposal are landfills, recycling, and third is burning the trash. Okay. Recycling is the waste. You can write any of the other method. Okay. Recycling is the best method of disposing waste in our opinion, as it reduces the amount of waste and pollution. Okay, you have to give a reason why you like this method of disposing waste. Okay, you can write any of the method for disposing of waste. Your next question is, suggest two ways of reusing waste material from our homes, schools and offices. Okay, the answer is two ways of reusing waste materials from our home, school and offices are: first one is, don't throw old books, newspapers and handmade things with them. Okay, means don't throw old books, newspaper and handmade things and with them. Second is reuse cardboard, clothes and plastic bottles as a planter or bag. These are the question answer of part D, and you have to complete the party waste management puzzle with the help of clues. Okay, to use something again means reuse. To give away something to someone, donate. Something useless, waste, converting a useless article to a useful one, recycle. Okay, right? You complete this crossword with the help of these clues. Okay, goodbye.